Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add digital creator on Instagram bio. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. Now to add digital creator in Instagram bio, first of all what we have to do, we have to tap on these three lines that we have on the top right corner. And now the first thing that we have to do is to switch our account to professional account. So for that we have to scroll down and you will be able to see the option of account type and tools. So we have to tap on it. Now we have to tap on switch to professional account. Now let's just tap on next. And here we have to search for digital creator and we have to select it. Since we want to display this on profile, so we would enable that option. And now we have to tap on switch to professional account. We'll go here with the creator account type. So we're going to tap on next now. All right, so now I will disable promotional emails here. Now let's just tap on next again. Now we have the different steps to complete our professional account. But right now we can skip this by tapping on cancel icon here. And now you will be able to see we have digital creator on Instagram bio. So this is how we can do this. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.